just gave up. Come here.
They actually gave up.
Yeah, they actually gave up on chasing me.
Okay, I'm gonna eat a sweet berry. Oh, they have our flag. I ate a sweet berry.
Oh damn. Kill him.
This guy can't run for long because I ate a sweet berry.
My momentum keeps.
And guess what? Come on.
Yeah, I saw you fall. I'm
That's why.
chasing him.
Whoa, Jesus! What are you doing to me?
Jesus. Problem. Stop running. How's this guy?
Yeah, I hate people who run like me.
Like you. Oh my god. Oh. Wait. Oh, there's somebody behind. I didn't even see the person behind me.
Killed him.
Evan?
Yeah.
Evan?
What?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Oh, I think my internet lagged a bit. My neighbor downstairs is playing Roblox right now.
No! I hate this map so goddamn much. This map is shitty as hell.
Yeah, I know, right? It's good as fuck. I mean, like by itself, like if it was just capture a flag without any blocks, it would be quite interesting. But then it's everything's like they keep blocking out the hallways. The blocks keep blocking out the hallways, and I'm getting 2v1 by two newbies.
I hate the voice.
Not actual stuff. Getting 2v1. Let's go, guys. Separated. This is the biggest mistake of your life. Oh shit!
More like you got 2v1.
Yeah, I got 2v1.
I'm just gonna third party them and steal your kills.
No, bro. No.
I still won. I don't want to run.
That's not my kill. That's not my kill. I'm so not comfortable with hotkeying. Oh, that's my kill.
Too late. It's
Yeah.
gonna be mine.
Bro, that's not yours. This guy already killed.
Yeah.
Killed you.
Oh come on! It was a draw.
Oh come on. You wanna play another game?
Yeah. Protect the treasure.
Yeah.
Jump bridge there.
I can't jump bridge, but I'll just walk there.
Like this. Can you do this? I bet no more blocks. Oof.
I'm gonna just finish the bridge.
Thanks. Can I get the treasure? Spawn kill
They're
them.
coming,
I
they're
want the treasure.
coming.
Can I please get the
They're
treasure?
coming.
Can I get the treasure? Can I get the treasure? Can I get the treasure?
Too
No.
late. But you can get the kill
Okay.
if I don't finish it out first. Oh bro, he's gonna run to. He won't break our defense in time. You're
I'm
too
right
close.
behind him. I got a hit. I'm gonna knock this guy. That combo wombo.
Yay!
Nice. Do you upgrade Jen? Oh, you didn't even get the diamonds. Wait.
I didn't get diamonds. You get it. Oh no, I need to get blocks.
I have emeralds too.
I'm gonna go get orange. Oh my god, orange is rushing. He's distracted. It's perfect. If I don't mess this up. Ooh. Save them up. I've
Oh no!
like, I think
This
it's
guy.
in the ender
This
chest.
guy's scared.
I
No!
put on me.
He's gonna get iron armor. Red. I thought red was you. Oh shit.
You
Okay.
oh, I see
They're gonna
him.
get iron. They're gonna get iron. I think.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
I'm trying to kill him. He's actually comboing me so hard. I'm on 3 hearts. No, I died. I think this person's an actual sweat.
I bought too much room.
They're coming to our base. They're coming to our base.
They should have iron.
No,
Okay,
they
here.
have an iron sword though. Did they
He's
go?
gonna- Oh shoot! Yeah, yeah. Hey guys, help!
Okay.
They're using yours.
They're using what?
They're using your room. I cut him off. I got him off. I got him off. I got him off. I got him off.
Let's go.
He has to kill me. I did a suicide jump.
You avoid that.
Yeah. With him.
Oh, I see him.
Ah, oops.
Oh, bro. I thought that was his base. I can't even clutch on this map.
Yeah, it's going too hard.
It's too. I can't even clutch on this map.
Oh, I just comboed the guy. His
Bro,
friend
my
is here.
game is.
Hi.
My game is so laggy.
I died. How? Maybe
I
was
don't know.
slow.
Wi-Fi sucks.
Who's?
Oh, that guy Wi-Fi sucks.
Oh.
I think your Wi-Fi is actually quite good. Oh, the sweaty guy is back.
It used to be bad, but I upgraded it.
Oh, I comboed him.
Nice, nice, nice. Just another guy. Run, run, run. I recommend you not fighting him.
Nothing though.
Let's go attack them. I see you. I'm right behind you.
Oh, they're trying to knock me off.
This guy?
Oh no!
I killed him. I killed him. I killed him. I have 11 M's. I mean, diamond. Sorry. Gotta get iron.
Get iron. Get
I'm
iron.
gonna get iron.
The map's
Do you have
island's
one-
actually. The map island's actually quite nice, except for it's very hard to clutch with. That's why I don't like this map. That's the sole reason.
Oh! I fell inside the void. I'm so smart.
Oh, that's just hilarious.
I actually
saw
hate
it
my life so
happen.
much.
I saw it happen. I actually saw it happen. Oh my god. Who made this shitty map?
I can barely clutch on this map.
Oh my god. Sweaty guys behind me. I'm gonna go to yellow space.
Why?
I don't know. It's for protection. Red
This
space
guy,
is liberal.
this guy has diamond armor. You gotta be oh my god. This guy has diamond armor.
Sweaty guy has iron armor. Sweaty guy has iron armor. Wait, he has diamond? Oh my
Oh
god.
yeah, what the hell? Who buys diamond?
Bro. What do I buy 2 stone swords?
I have iron at least.
I have chain. They are our base, they are our base, they are our base.
I'm going to this. I'm going to this. They're literally sweat.
Yeah, go, bro.
Yeah, no more treasure for us, I guess.
I'm gonna run. I'm gonna just run. Shit! Damn, I fell.
2v1.
Yep, this is 2v1. Where are you? I'm gonna teleport to you. Go, go, go. There's no one chasing you, by the way.
Okay, thanks.
Surprise. Let's go. I'm gonna see if there's anyone around you. Hey, the sweaty kid is going to the diamond generator. The diamond kid is behind you.
Whoa!
I told you.
It's unfair. It's the diamond kid.
Just run. Just run. Oh.
Also, unsubscribe from me. And then I
Yeah,
got
no,
one
right,
extra
always
subscriber.
happens.
This one.
Hey, we are here.
You like my hot air
Wait,
balloon?
so now how many? How many
I think
subs do you have?
15 or 16.
Oh, bro, that's quite good.
But beginner, yeah. It's all
Yeah,
because of that
probably.
short.
Yeah,
But
know,
I only
right?
got like 10
I
subscribers.
told you it was OP.
I only got like 10 subscribers from that.
Bro, normally we get like a lot.
Yeah, you get
I think
a lot.
just because like you have to do things that are trending. I need blocks.
I also did another. Oh! Clutch.
Okay, let me just gear up first.
Ooh.
What? Hello?
Yeah.
I'm lagging. I was lagging
Oh, come
just now.
on, don't.
Why do I keep lagging? I'm scared.
Don't go to mid. Okay.
Can you give me a diamond? I'm like, okay.
I'm so under here.
You're
Bye.
super under yet, bro. Get combo wombo.
You actually killed him?
No, he had Void Walker. Oh my god, that guy's enchanted diamond sword. Oh bro, it's so easy to combo him.
Oh no!
Combo the hell off.
I'm 2 hits.
Combo him. Run,
I'm
run,
one
run,
hit.
run.
I'm one.
Run!
He's right behind.
Just point to avoid.
No.
Never mind.
Okay, he's at 7.5 HP left.
Oh shit, I'm running. Oh, he had 5.5. Oh, why did I even decide to trade hits with him?
That's why nobody likes to trade hits.
I also don't like trading hits. Even me, a complete bitch, doesn't like trading hits. Okay, you take that. I'll take the chest on the rock. Okay, you take the one on the tree. Oh, I'm actually geared.
Oh, I only have the top half.
Wait, let me give you some extra stuff I found.
People are coming.
What? Where?
I'm gonna kill him. Killed him.
Go, 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 go,
I
go,
was
go, go.
I was comboing.
Well, this guy just... Bro, he has Void Walker.
Guess what? I also had an ender pearl. Cause I was Void Walker too.
I'm also at Void Walker.
Oh, hey,
Bro,
run back,
but
run back, run back. He fell off into the void. I just need
I've
a
a
chest
diamond, I've enchanted diamond sword, lol.
plate. Bruh.
Bro, I gained an ender pearl. Is that you?
Yeah.
Yep. Do you have spare diamond?
What? No. You can go to mid. Mid is a lot.
Okay, I'm going to mid. Wait, what do you have with me? He had a shovel.
Look all the chests at mid. I got a chest plate.
Can you give it to me?
Okay, where are you? Go to mid, yeah.
I'm at...
Have it. Yeah,
Okay, I think
let's go attack. Let's attack them.
Wait, I need pants. Okay, okay, I'm coming. Should we add a pro in?
Wait.
I need pants.
Oh, bro. Oi, help! What the heck?
Coming. Coming.
This guy ended up.
Bruh. This guy's a baller. Get combo wombo. Let's go. I hit it. Bro, that guy had no pants. Evan. Evan.
Yeah.
I level up.
Nice. I'm level 23.
I'm level 3.
I got leggings for you.
Okay.
I don't know where you are. That's the problem now.
Wait. I'm actually... I'm trying to kill someone. Oh, bruh. Can you help me kill this person real quick? He got me down to tree house because my aim was so bad.
Bro thought.
Bro. Ah!
I hit it.
I fell. I fell at the last second.
Wow. Yeah, look at me. And the eagle, ew.
Bruh! It's
The
just
eagle.
hive.
The eagle
I
doesn't.
wanna-
Hive doesn't know what the genders. Or your skin
Bro,
is just crap.